Most people wait until they're completely out of money before looking for payday apps. But here's the truth, no one tells you. By the time you're desperate, you're more likely to choose the wrong app, pay unnecessary fees, or get stuck in a borrowing cycle that keeps repeating every month. In this video, I'll show you the best apps that give you money before payday in 2026, how they actually work, which ones are fastest, and the biggest mistakes you need to avoid before borrowing. Let's get straight into it. One of the most popular apps right now is Earnin. Earnin lets eligible users access part of their paycheck before payday arrives. Let's say Alex gets paid every Friday, but his car insurance bill is due Wednesday. Instead of overdrafting his account or using a credit card, Earnin can allow him to access money he has already earned. The biggest advantage is that many users can receive funds quickly through instant transfer features. But here's the problem. Earnin usually works best for people with steady income and regular banking activity. If deposits are inconsistent, approval may become harder. Another strong option is Dave. Dave has become extremely popular because it offers smaller advances with simple approval systems. Jake, for example, might need $60 for groceries or gas before his paycheck arrives. Dave is designed for these smaller short-term gaps. Now here's where it gets interesting. Dave often focuses more on account activity and spending behavior than traditional credit checks. That makes it attractive for users with limited credit history. Next is MoneyLion. MoneyLion combines payday advances with banking and credit building features. Many users like it because eligible accounts can qualify for larger advances over time after building positive repayment history. This is where most people fail. They only look at the maximum advance amount and completely ignore transfer fees, subscription costs, or repayment timing. A quick advance can become expensive if you repeatedly rely on express delivery options. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to use these apps without damaging your finances. Another app worth checking is Albert. Albert offers smaller cash advances with a clean, beginner-friendly interface. It works well for users who want something simple without complicated approval steps. Here's the key strategy experienced users follow. Treat payday advance apps as emergency tools, not monthly income replacements. If you constantly borrow from future paychecks, your next payday becomes smaller, which creates even more pressure later. Also, avoid using several apps at the same time. Multiple repayment withdrawals can hit your account together and trigger overdraft fees unexpectedly. So, the best apps that give you money before payday in 2026 are Earnin, Dave, MoneyLion, and Albert. Each app has different strengths depending on your income, banking history, and how quickly you need the money. If this video helped you understand your options and avoid common mistakes, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which payday app has worked best for you so far.